The Nutritional Powerhouse, Oats. Discover the incredible nutritional value of oats, packed with vitamins, minerals, and high fiber content. Oats are rich in complex carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, and soluble fiber, promoting energy, metabolism, heart health, and digestion. Start gradually, choose certified gluten-free oats, watch fiber intake, consider medication interactions, and be aware of allergic reactions. Can oats cause weight gain? Unlikely, as long as you maintain a balanced diet. How do I know if I'm allergic to oats? Consult an allergist for proper testing and diagnosis. Can oats help lower cholesterol levels? Yes, thanks to beta-glucan, a soluble fiber. Should I choose instant oats or steel-cut oats? It depends on your taste preferences and lifestyle. Can oats be eaten raw? They can, but cooking enhances digestibility and taste. Can oats be consumed by people with diabetes? Yes, but monitor portion sizes and consult a healthcare professional. Introducing oats into your diet can be delightful and healthy with caution and consideration. Enjoy the benefits and consult a professional for guidance. Thanks for watching.